Hello guys, welcome back to Boomer Smith. So today I'm going to show you how to make a paper aeroplane. So you need a blank piece of paper, and so let's get on to the video. But before we start the video, there's one thing that you need to do. Like and subscribe! And then let's get started, shall we? You have to get it lined up perfectly. That's how you make the best paper aeroplane. Okay. Sorry. My sister's friend is over. So you unfold the paper aeroplane like this. And see how there's a crease? Then we will be using that for step 3. Okay? Step 3 is with the crease, you fold these corners like this to the crease. I'm kind of good at making paper airplanes, but I just can't throw them that good. So if we see a paper airplane, shot them, and you see it at a high level, then that's a tip of why you know it's a high level. Okay, so here's the crease. Step 4. Fold the corners like this. This is notification set up on my computer. So you fold it like this. So that's step 4. So now it should look like this. For step 5, you've got to fold this in half, and also you can't do make paper airplane with card because it's too heavy. So I just use a normal piece of paper. So this is step 5. There's a bonus step at the end. You can do it if you want or you don't want. Just if you want to do tricks. So, step 6 is like this. So, you fold it like a triangle. This is there. Like this. So, it should look like this now. Okay? Step 6 is the last step, so this paper aeroplane is ready. So let's test it out. Okay? Test it out. Okay, so I'm testing it out. See how well it pops. I think the fly's pretty good, but the optional step is if you put it then you get it other side. Like on the inside, you fold this one on the outside, and then you fold that one on the inside. So now you can do, you have a paper aeroplane that can be inverted in three. So, thanks for watching. So, I just want you to like and subscribe because I'm sorry that we didn't, sorry that we haven't uploaded a video for a while. I'm working on a video for the Impossible Odds. It's gonna come out this August. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will enjoy Impossible Odds. I just need to finish level 100 of Impossible Odds. Hey, I'll just do a spoiler alert. Level 85. I've already done it. It was the second hardest trick shot that I've ever done. I threw a basketball up, and then I threw another basketball, and then it hit the basketball and then went in. So